We are Team Radiant Mind of Castle Academy, and with the help of our mentor, Miss Emike Momo, we created an eco-friendly solar oven that helps solve problems in our community. We built a solar oven using cardboard, foil paper, black paper, and cling film. The foil paper reflects sunlight into the box, the black paper absorbs the heat of the sun, and the cling film traps the heat inside. This creates enough warmth to heat food without using any fuel. Our product encourages clean energy, and we help reduce pollution. It is a step forward, safer and greener living.